In this video, I'll show you how to delete a form in TurboTax. Once you are on your TurboTax account, the first step is to head over to the navigation panel on the left-hand side. And below, you want to choose Tax Tools. Now, below Tax Tools, you want to choose the first option, which is Tools. That will open this pop-up, and from here, you want to head over to Other Helpful Links, and at the bottom, choose the third option, which is Delete a Form. Now, once you do that, it will open up a new section, and from here, you can choose which form it is that you want to delete. So in here, it will show you all of the forms in which you have. Let's say I want to delete my earned income worksheet. And in order for you to do that, simply head over to the right hand side, click on the trash bin to delete. And once you do that, a pop up will show. From here, it will ask you if you want to permanently delete all of the forms that are linked in here. At the bottom, choose the red option, yes, delete. Once you do that, it will refresh, and at the top, it will automatically state that the exact form has been deleted. Now, let's say you want to delete another form. This will be our miscellaneous itemized deductions, and on the right hand side, click on the trash bin to delete. It will also be the same process. Click on the red button, and it will automatically delete. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.